here we go. We got the crazy driver up front. Out here in the open field is probably the best spot. Shelby's gonna catch him. Was that fun?
Yeah, flung snow in my face.
Fling snow in your face?
Yeah.
Ransom's a little bit lighter, so it'll probably not sling as bad on him.
Ranger, set up here.
Whoa, there goes Ransom. We're not going to get too wild out here either with the kids. Used to, when we were kids, we had like a car hood we were going on. Old metal car hood, tractor. Pretty much whatever our parents had is what we use. Kids today, they're a little bit spoiled.
Boys have been playing outside for hours, and I guess they're jumping their bikes in this. Well, don't run over the sled, silly.
I crash every time.
You crash?